All right, I got to get back in front of the camera. I got to get back going on YouTube. I feel something brewing right now. So as of right now, I'm selling cars at Hyundai of Columbia, Tennessee, one of the most prestigious Hyundai dealerships around. And I'm very privileged and grateful and blessed to be in this environment with this opportunity, with these people. It's amazing. Life has changed dramatically. A lot of you guys may know I started trading a long time ago. Was exposed to this maybe in 2020, 2019, and I immediately fell in love with it, and I realized just how powerful the markets are. Foreign exchange specifically, in futures and stuff like that, indexes, commodities like gold and silver. I will be honest, I really got in my own way. I overcomplicated things and I didn't stay consistent with it, but I was always dabbling here and there, would make money, would lose it. It was hard, and it still is, but I never really let it go completely. But now I'm diving in really, really hard. I've kind of simplified it a little bit more. It's been about 6 years. Something big is going to happen, and I want to show you my journey. I've been kind of changing a lot since the last time I've been on YouTube. Muscle, grow a beard, shave my head. Crazy, right? But anyways, so back into trading. I wanted to start taking action. I don't expect anybody to be watching this. We're just going to get going. We're just going to get started. Let's jump into it. Pop out the laptop. Show you a little bit about what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so here is the setup. I know it kind of looks a little crazy. I've got it on the 1 hour time frame, which means each candlestick that you see right here, these are called candles, it represents an hour. So we're on the hour chart right here. Scroll out a little bit, you'll kind of see it's making sort of a wedge right here, and it broke through this uptrend right here. There's a downtrend right here. So what I'm thinking, I've got some resistance right here, which I can show you on a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute, kind of show you what that looks like. So I've got some resistance levels right here, a really strong support level right here, which broke through and it's retesting. I'd say 80% of the time, price will come back and retest that last structure level. Broke through the trend and retested it twice. Now let's go to the day chart so I can kind of show you what's really going on here. Now each candlestick here represents a day. There is a strong resistance level right here. Now what I'm expecting to happen here is price is going to come back and touch this level again, either bounce off or break through, which is we've got it kind of boxed in right here as well. But what I am planning on doing is taking this sell from right here down to right here, and this might take a little while. So if we go back into the 1 hour, kind of show you what I'm looking at here. Basically what I am going to want is price to do this right here, and I kind of show you want it to come down right here. You touch this, it may come back and retest this area and drop down to right here. Price could always reverse. Nobody's ever 100% accurate when it comes to these markets. We're going to see how this plays out. We can actually go into the 1 minute and catch a smaller trade, a much quicker trade. Some levels of resistance right here. And if you want to map it out, let's say from right here all the way right here. Now it's an obvious level of resistance right here, and it bounced off. But what I think is going to happen is this right here. Come back down into this level, boom, come back, retest price, and drop again. This is Euro USD, so this is the euro against the US dollar. So we're trading currencies here. Let's look at gold. Now it's a beautiful chart. Now if we come out to the day, we'll be able to see what is going on in the long run here. So this is the beginning. This is January of 2026. This is the highest gold has ever been. It was roughly 5,500 or 5,600 per ounce, right? So now we're kind of on a down trend right here, and we've come back and touched this hard level right here. We've got a downtrend right here. Market did break through this trend and retest that downtrend, right? So this is a beautiful chart right here. Now this could take a while, obviously. In a long-term trade, this could take a while, right? We're gonna try and catch some of the smaller moves in this area. All right, I know it didn't really make too much sense. I'm gonna get deeper into it another day. I'm gonna go ahead and check out, but yeah, that's just a little bit about what I got going on in the markets. I know, like I said, it's hard to understand, but I'm not really here to teach you right now. Just a short explanation of what's going on. You really don't know for sure, but you can make predictions. Everybody says it's a gamble, but it is not a gamble if you understand the markets and you can understand what each candle means. You can see patterns. It's all psychology. So what is going on here is people buying and selling in the markets. It's a worldwide market. You know, big banks across what I'm on, you know, Euro USD, which is a euro against the US dollar. That's their currency against ours. You're predicting the value off of history. History will show you where people are buying and selling at. So if you make the correct predictions and it goes in your favor, you make money, right? But nobody's 100% in the markets, right? Now there's people with high percentages, there's people with lower percentages. I'm a little bit lower right now. Anyways, I just figured I might as well just drop videos, get them out there, just start the journey now. Don't even have my full setup right behind this screen. I just got a new monitor. One of my customers at work actually gave me the monitor because I gave him a great experience, which was amazing. God works in mysterious ways. Really nice setup coming soon. All right, but yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, paying attention. I know it was probably boring. Some people may be a little bit interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Don't know when you'll see me again, but it probably will be in the next few days. Thank you.